Let's explore the features that make Apple Numbers different from other spreadsheet apps. So far, you've learned how to create a spreadsheet and format your data. In this lesson, we'll work with multiple tables, manage sheets, add images and shapes, and organize everything into a clean, professional layout. Let's get started. Unlike many spreadsheet applications, Numbers lets you place multiple tables on the same sheet. Click the Table button in the toolbar, choose a table style, and a new table appears on the canvas. This is useful for keeping different types of information organized without placing everything into one large table. Let's reposition the table. Click anywhere inside the table, then click the small circle in the top left corner to select the entire table. Drag it anywhere on the canvas to organize your layout exactly the way you want. Now, let's resize it. Select the table and drag one of the handles around its edges to make it larger or smaller. You can also add more rows or columns whenever you need additional space. Giving your tables meaningful names makes larger projects easier to manage. Click the table name above the header row. Type a new name such as Sales, Expenses, or Inventory, then press Return. Now let's create another sheet. Click the Add Sheet button at the top of the window. A new blank sheet is added instantly. Think of each sheet as a separate page within the same Numbers document. Let's rename the new sheet. Double-click the sheet name and replace it with something meaningful. Clear names make navigation much easier. Switching between sheets is simple. Just click the Sheet tab at the top of the window. Each sheet can contain its own tables, charts, images, and other objects. Need another copy of the same layout? Right-click the Sheet tab and choose Duplicate. Numbers creates an exact copy with all of your tables and formatting, making it perfect for recurring reports. You can also rearrange your sheets. Click and hold a Sheet tab, then drag it left or right until it's in the correct position before releasing the mouse. If a sheet is no longer needed, you can remove it. Right-click the Sheet tab and choose Delete Sheet. Remember that deleting a sheet also removes everything stored on it. Now, let's add some media. Click Media in the toolbar and choose an image from your Photos library or your Mac. The image appears on the canvas where you can move and resize it just like any other object. Let's position the image. Click the image, drag the corner handles to resize it while keeping its proportions, then move it into position. Leave enough space around the image to keep your layout clean. Shapes are another useful design tool. Click the Shape button in the toolbar and choose any shape you like. Resize it, change its color, and move it anywhere on the page to highlight important information. You can also add text outside your tables. Click the Text button in the toolbar. A text box appears on the canvas. Type your text, then move and resize the box wherever you need it. As your spreadsheet grows, keeping everything organized becomes important. Drag tables, images, shapes, and text boxes into position until the layout looks balanced. If objects overlap, right-click one and choose Bring to Front or Send to Back to control which object appears on top. Copying objects is quick and easy. Select any image, shape, or text box, then press Command+C followed by Command+V to create a duplicate. This saves time and keeps your design consistent. Don't forget about the built-in templates. Numbers includes templates for invoices, budgets, planners, schedules, and much more. They're a great source of inspiration and can save you time instead of starting from scratch. You've now learned how to work with multiple tables, create and manage sheets, rename and organize your content, and add images, shapes, and text boxes to your spreadsheet. In the next lesson, we'll explore formulas and functions so you can perform calculations automatically while saving time and reducing errors.